Hey Gunpowder crew, welcome back to the channel. On today's adventure, we are at Windrock Off-Road Park in Oliver Springs, Tennessee, ready to hit the trails on this rainy day. First, we are going to check out the brand new general store and see what it has to offer. Join us as the adventure continues. It rained heavy yesterday, and the rain is falling a little this morning, so we expect to see some muddy, slick trails today. We decide to take on Trail 22. As we make our way to the trail, smash that subscribe button and help us reach our 1,000 subscriber goal by the end of this year. As the adventure continues, let's hit the trails. Yeah, it is. We're starting off today's adventure on Trail 22. We found out there is a new entrance around the top to get on 22. They now have blocked off the bridge. I think we came across it last time we were here. And we met some nice folks at the general store, and they're playing tail gunner today. So join us as the adventure continues. It's a whole group of them.
Oh, no, we didn't.
Cool. fun. Interesting. You got a little mud.
Dang.
As the rain kept falling, Trail 22 got more and more slippery. We found ourselves on a very steep, muddy hill climb. You can see Gunpowder clawing and crawling her way up, and as we reach the top, you can see Sarah go too far right and she gets caught up in the thick mud. We go back to hook up to her and pull her out and notice our new friends have also gotten stuck in the thick mud. Let's work on getting them out of this sticky situation.
Yeah, y'all whatever.
We were gonna go around and start sucking here. And then it goes like that.
All right.
Now we back up to get our new friends out of their situation. They wanted adventure today, and it looks like they're having it, and we're all still having a blast.
Yeah, I got mud tires and they're plumb full. All right, well, let me see if I can get by her. Okay. And we'll keep going until we get stuck again. All right, thank you.
Nice shoes.
They weigh 5 pounds.
Oh my god. Too much mud.
All right, that's a start.
22 was fun.
It's a little foggy.
As we talked with the awesome folks who decided to join us on today's adventure, we talked about a few places we've been wanting to see here at Windrock, one being the historic prison. And they said, oh, we know where that is, we'll take you right to it. So they're taking us to where the prison is, Join us. This is sure to be a good adventure. Historic Brushy Mountain State Penitentiary, established 1896. I believe it's called the Historic Brushy Mountain. I'll have to recheck the name. State Penitentiary. We're gonna walk around here. Haven't made it here. Awesome folks with us today have shown us where it's at. How you been liking the trails? You wanna talk?
I've been loving them.
Awesome.
Every bit.
What's been your favorite? What's been your favorite part?
22.
22. Of course.
The hardest part.
It's his favorite part too.
No, especially when I couldn't stand up.
Yeah, that was awesome. I about lost my boot. I've got like 10 pounds of mud.
I did lose a shoe. In fact, I've changed.
Down to the sock at one point.
Yeah, we like the hard trails.
Yes, we do too, but today's
been an adventure just trying to get through.
Yes.
It's a survival day.
Who can get the most mud on their Jeep?
Well, I've won with my boot. I don't know. Who's got the most? Let's see. Jeep competition here. Comment below. Who's the muddiest? This is a comment below section here. Let's see. They're pretty caked. We're clean on the front. Pretty caked on the side. You almost can't read the gunpowder on the side. We're clean in the front and the back, not on the sides. And here's Miss Sarah. I don't know what happened. She's mud all the way up to the roof. Dangerous since 1896. Enter at your own risk. That's a lot of side-by-sides. Everyone is here. There may not be any room at the end. Maybe they're finishing up.
Should be cycling in and out.
Oh, look at that! A death row.
A death row.
I gotta get a picture of that.
Oh, tickets for the gift shop.
Oh, that's cool. It was right around lunchtime when we got on site to the prison and found out they have a restaurant and a gift shop and even an on-site distillery. So we went inside to check all of that out. The food is awesome. The gift shop has hats, cups, anything you can think of. So you definitely want to try this place out next time you're at Windrock. We will be sure to do this next time we're at Windrock, but you can get tickets and they have tours of the actual prison itself. So when you come here, get some tickets, check it out. It looks like it'll be an awesome adventure for us next time we're at Windrock. This building. Golly.
That one's seen better days.
Yes, it has. Oh! Fire truck.
Do not touch. What do you need?
Brushy Mountain Correctional Complex. Oh yeah, distillery. Uh-huh.
Gunpowder in prison.
Oh boy, breakout. Thanks for riding with us. You got your shirts. All we had was a large and an extra large, and then we give these to everyone that rides with us. Little token coins. You say your names for the camera so I know to tag you.
I'm Josh Shoemaker. It's my son.
Cool.
Thank you so much.
All right, thanks for riding with us.
That was another epic day at Windrock Off-Road Park. It was slick, it was muddy. We had to tug some Jeeps out of the mud. People were losing their shoes, but we had an awesome time and everyone came out with huge smiles and stories to tell. So, I hope you enjoyed this adventure as much as we enjoyed bringing you along on this adventure. So, be sure and hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and as always, join us as the adventure always continues here on our channel. See y'all out on the trails.